What's that in there? We got Guinea Pig and a Squirrel in the same for the first time. First, Guinea Pig was very skittish, but it's been 2 minutes now. And Kitty's over there. Hey, yeah, you two look like you might get along actually. Just sniffing each other a little bit. I'm not sure what the cat is to do. You look okay. You don't look like you want to attack it. Hey, buddy.
Rear wheel drive. Or different rear end on that one.
Oh, you little turd. You are liking that cage, aren't you? You're just jumping everywhere. And there's Guinea Pig. And Kitty. All looking. I'm like, what the hell is that thing, huh? Never seen those before, huh? Stop. Come here. There you go. See, it's all okay. It's okay, baby. Put your paw on there now. Pepe was like this when we first got the Guinea Pig, so this is normal.
Pepe?
Shut up. I think Guinea liked that fluffy tail, he keeps sniffing it. I can see Cat's shadow in there. She's doing something. Some of the cutest animals right over here, right here. Like the cat, squirrel, and guinea pig. Boy.
There are! The whole thing!
Poop pen.
It's right there, it's kind of walking.
What's that? Oh, look at that. Oh, they're licking each other. Isn't it bad?
Are they fighting?
No.
Well, one said to me, like,
It's because it's scared.
yeah. Oh, it's
I know. I'm looking at that whole thing.
Look here.
Crawl up, look at
Yeah.
that. Maybe a better cage for him.
I know, that's why I said he's good.
And the aquarium.
When the squirrel gets better,
The aquarium is much bigger for him, for the guinea, or her. Right?
They climb upside down. Does he climb upside down? Oh, we're not keeping Ginny down here. We're animals.
Oh, hi, kitty. Be quiet, Andrew. You're wrecking the natural. Guinea is big, aren't you? You're a big one, but a friendly one.
We should keep this squirrel in here. We think Ginny was going to give us a squirrel more. That's what we think.
Yeah, I know.
Why the
Kitty's just like underneath here, right? Do you hear all that? You can't fit through there, can ya? Your head's too big to fit through that. Just nothing really, just smell it. Kind of smell it.
He's scared.
Guinea's a frisky one.
Yeah. He's trying to get some food, I think.
Close the back garage door.
That's a one-handed video.
Yeah, we'll close it now.
Why is Michael always...
Oh, jeez. You really like that page.
Kitty's fuzzy. No.
Coochie coochie coo. Coo. Hey, baby. Come here.
What do you want to do? Not in here. After me. We're gonna go to meetings first. What time is that gonna be at?
Cat almost attacked the squirrel. You see that? Cat almost attacked the squirrel. That's no, Pepe.
Yeah. It's hippie.
I call it whatever I want. It's my cat. It's no.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, squirrel, you're gonna have to go back to your aquarium for a little bit.